Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're just going to be doing what's inside my baseball bag and what my baseball bag is and stuff. I don't have like a ton of stuff. I just have the normal things: glove, bat, and elbow guard, helmet, bat, and gloves. And your glove, I didn't already say that. Okay, so first thing we'll do my bag. Okay, so first we got the Evo Shield. Then we got my last name and my number right here. Or right here. And then we got our logo in the middle. So, and then we got more for the back gloves. I'm just gonna do these first. So these don't fall over. And we got the back gloves. Nike. They're dirty from me sliding and stuff. But yeah, we got the Nike back gloves. They're real dirty in between the fingers and stuff. And inside. Probably getting new ones this year. I think I'm getting the Bruce Bolt ones. And then let me put these back on real quick. While I'm putting this on, I got some more baseball cards the other day, like a lot, and so I will be reviewing probably tonight, or probably after this video, because if you didn't know, today's Super Bowl Sunday, and we're watching the game obviously. So yeah, now I'm going to review my cards before that game. Yeah, because I got a lot of cards. And then we got my bat. It's a Cat 8. And then we put black wrapping on it. I think it comes with like a white. If you can hear, that's my dog. So, yeah. There's my bat. I might be getting a new one of these too. I think I might be getting a Deemer the Goods bat. So, yeah. Well, I can get this back on there. But anyways, yeah, so tonight, I'll probably, before the Super Bowl, I keep saying tonight, so that only like 2 hours, probably after this video, I'll go through my cards, because it'll probably be like a 20-minute, 25-minute, maybe 30-minute video, because I got like this much cards, and I got all my new cards in my binder, obviously, like my best cards, and I got my favorite player card, which I'll tell you in the video. My favorite baseball players, top 3 actually, in that video. So yeah, I'll tell you that in that video. Okay, now we got sit up. Wait. Okay. Then we got my elbow guard. It's just black. No, it's just an elbow guard. I think that's how it goes on. Well, yeah, but anyway, that's my elbow card. And then we'll say best for last, which is my glove, because my glove is my favorite thing I have, probably, in my room, actually. Or my Walker Buehler, which is a picture, probably. Yeah, I'm just going to lay this right here. If I even can. Okay, and then we got my helmet. We got the logo on the front. And then drawings, we got the we're called the Whitley Storm. So we have the lightning bolt right here. And then it's holding the bat. Yeah, our other logo. And then it says Rawlings on the side. And yeah, here soon, I'm gonna be getting it right here. And I think it might say Burton or number 3 or something right there. So yeah, there's that. And then finally, the best thing in my whole room and in baseball, and probably my favorite thing I have, my glove. It's my favorite glove I've ever had, definitely. And it's an outfielder glove. It's completely red. Has the thing right here completely closed. Rollings, it's a little bit dirty right now because we had practice yesterday and the day before that, and 2 days before that. And then and right here it says safe catch, and then highlight series and rollings, and then it's a 12-inch glove. Yeah, that's a rolling symbol. Yeah, it's my favorite glove, definitely. It's so nice. So, I think that's all. Because I don't have no, other stuff in the fancy in baseball. But I'll probably do an updated version of this after my birthday, which is in let's see, today, about a month and 11 days, I'd say. Or, no, about a month and 9 days. And so we'll be doing that probably right after my birthday because, I'm probably going to get some baseball stuff because that's what I'm asking for. And I'm getting a card pack here soon, like a pack of baseball cards. And I will do that on my YouTube channel, me opening it. And I plan on me going back to this card shop and buying a lot of cards, and I'll probably record that too. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.